It is even more beautiful than I imagined. It doesn't even look real.
The bamboo seems to touch the sky.
It is one of Japan's most peaceful places. Is today really the day?
Yes, today we are flying to Japan.
I packed extra snacks just in case.
That plane is enormous. I hope the food is enormous too.
We'll find out very soon.
There are so many flights. The world is waiting for us. I already like airports. Our adventure has just begun.
Good morning. Have a wonderful trip to Japan.
Thank you very much.
Our bags are going before us. I hope they wait for us.
I still cannot believe we are going to Japan. Sometimes the best adventures begin with one flight.
And today is one of those days.
The plane looks even bigger now. It is waiting for us. This feels like a little flying house.
For a few hours, it is.
There is so much happening. And soon, we will be above the clouds. I should probably remember all of this.
Listening carefully is always a good idea.
Look, there's the rainbow. Wow. It's so beautiful. They look like giant mountains.
Nature is full of beautiful surprises. I
think I am going to like Japan. This smells really good. Everything tastes better when you are traveling. We are getting closer.
Every minute brings us closer to a new adventure.
I think we are almost there. I cannot wait anymore. Is that Japan? Is that Japan?
Yes, welcome to Japan. It feels different already.
I was thinking exactly the same. Listen carefully. I can hardly hear anything.
Thank you very much.
Everyone walks so calmly.
It makes the whole airport feel peaceful.
No one is trying to skip the line. Everyone is respecting each other's turn.
Welcome to Japan. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. We are happy to be here.
Everything is so organized.
It certainly is.
This is such a beautiful welcome.
I already love Japan.
Good morning. How may I help you today? We would like to travel to central Tokyo. The train is the fastest and easiest way.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
So one little card opens the whole city?
It makes traveling simple.
Everything is easy to understand. Clear signs make traveling much easier. I have never seen such perfect cues.
Respect begins with small, everyday habits.
That was so fast.
Technology makes traveling very easy.
Everyone follows the same rule.
That makes everything move smoothly.
Everyone knows exactly where to stand.
It helps everyone board quickly and safely.
It stopped in exactly the right place.
That level of precision is impressive.
Nobody rushed.
Waiting for others makes everything easier.
It is so quiet.
It feels very peaceful.
We are moving already.
It is so smooth.
Everything looks so clean.
They really take care of their city.
Everyone is being so considerate.
Respect can make a place feel comfortable for everyone.
Tokyo is even bigger than I imagined.
And we have only seen the beginning. We are finally in Tokyo.
Wow. It already feels different. Everyone follows the same rule.
It helps everyone move smoothly. This city feels so fresh.
I don't see any litter. I can't find a single piece of rubbish.
People take great pride in keeping their city clean.
The road is empty, but everyone is still waiting.
Following small rules helps everyone stay safe.
It looks like everyone moves together.
And everyone respects each other.
There are vending machines everywhere. They are part of everyday life here. The machine has hot drinks.
That is a very thoughtful idea.
Welcome in, everyone!
Oh, this looks so good!
Wow, look at all the food! Check out the bento boxes! I want to see what they sell.
Let's explore together.
Everything is arranged so neatly. It feels calm and welcoming. It looks almost too perfect.
People here take pride in small details.
They have so many fresh choices. It looks like a small supermarket.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。
This is different, but really good.
Sometimes the best surprises are the simplest ones.
Look at this!
How much did you eat in there?
Nothing. Only one. Oh, 本当にありがとうございます。
Thank you for your kindness. You are most welcome.
I will be much more careful now.
And today we also learned how kindness can travel from one person to another.
This city feels busy, but peaceful.
Everything feels balanced.
They are all parked so neatly.
Small habits make a big difference.
What a beautiful evening. Yes, it's very peaceful here.
This park is so lovely. It feels so calm here.
Sometimes quiet places say the most.
Look at them swim. They're so peaceful. I could watch them all day.
I think today has been unforgettable.
And tomorrow, Japan will surprise us even more. Today we will ride Japan's famous high-speed train.
I have been waiting for this.
It is even more beautiful than the photos.
This station has welcomed travelers for more than 100 years.
We are getting closer!
The adventure is about to become even faster.
It looks like it came from the future. It is beautiful. Everything happens so smoothly.
That is what careful planning looks like. This will be one of the fastest train rides in the world.
I don't want to miss anything outside.
All right, here's yours.
Thanks, Mom.
Let's get this one up too.
Okay, Dad.
All settled?
Yeah. Ready for our adventure. Did we already start moving?
Yes. It is so smooth that you can hardly feel it.
The city is changing so quickly. Every journey tells a different story.
We are traveling very fast, but it still feels calm.
It feels like we are floating. I wonder when we will see Mount Fuji.
I think it will be worth the wait.
I think I can see something.
Keep watching.
It is even more beautiful than I imagined. It doesn't even look real.
Some places become unforgettable the moment you see them.
I will always remember this view.
This is my favorite photo already.
It will remind us of this wonderful morning.
Now our mountain adventure begins.
I can't wait to explore.
The air feels so fresh.
It feels like we can breathe more deeply here.
It is so quiet here.
People and nature live together peacefully.
I have never seen so many beautiful flowers together. They make the whole village feel alive.
Welcome. Please enjoy your visit. Thank you for your kindness.
It tastes gentle and fresh. Every place has its own special flavor.
Everyone is speaking so softly.
This is a peaceful place, so people show respect. They move so gently.
They make the whole garden feel peaceful.
Even the local train looks beautiful.
It matches the peaceful countryside.
This is a moment I will never forget.
Some memories stay with us forever.
Look at the lights, they're so pretty.
Wow. We're finally here.
Today we will discover traditional Japan.
I have been waiting for Kyoto.
It feels like we traveled back in time.
I don't want to leave this street.
The bamboo seems to touch the sky.
It is one of Japan's most peaceful places.
Listen carefully.
It sounds peaceful.
Welcome to Kyoto. Thank you. It is wonderful to be here.
The colors are so beautiful.
Traditional clothing is still part of everyday life here.
They almost look too beautiful to eat. They are little works of art. It tastes different, but I like it.
Trying new things is part of every adventure.
It has stood here for hundreds of years.
It reminds us how history can live beside modern life.
Kyoto feels calm in a different way.
Every city in Japan has its own beautiful story.
They are walking everywhere.
Here, the deer are part of the park. The deer like these very much.
Thank you.
Did it just bow to me?
Yes, that is one of Nara's special traditions.
You stayed very calm. I think we are friends now. This is one of my favorite memories. I will never forget these friendly deer. They all stopped for us.
They respect people who are crossing.
That was a kind way to say thank you.
I wanted them to know I appreciated it. They look so confident.
They learn safety and responsibility from a young age.
I have not heard a single horn. Everyone seems patient.
We have learned much more than we expected.
Kindness and respect make every place more beautiful.
I cannot find a bin anywhere.
Let's keep it with us until we find one.
Excuse me, could you tell me where I can find a rubbish bin?
Many people take their rubbish home,
Thank you, that is a wonderful habit.
so everyone helps keep the park clean.
Small actions can make a big difference.
They separate many kinds of waste.
That helps protect the environment.
When we go home, let's keep these good habits with us.
That will be the best souvenir from Japan.
Our adventure is ending, but the memories are just beginning.
Japan has given us so many beautiful moments. I want to visit Japan again one day. I think Japan will always welcome us. I think this was our best family trip.
I think so too. Every country teaches us something new.
And every journey makes our family stronger.
Our journey to Japan has ended, but every wonderful memory will travel home with us.